everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make 3D text in Canva. Let's dive in. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Next, go to the Apps section and search for Type Extrude. Click to open the Type Extrude app. Type in the text you want to transform into 3D. Scroll down and adjust the text settings according to your preference. Then click on Add to Design, and there you have it. Your text is now transformed into a stylish 3D design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.